Alright, I got a Kaba Ilco 1-inch zinc mortise cylinder here. Some good high-low bitting there. It's a 5-pinner. Let me get that down here. So, let's try and get in here. Well, I got a little movement on the core, but I don't know if there's... Oh, it's open. I don't think there's security pins in it. There's just slop. Let me get this thing open. Two of them came in this box I bought. Ooh. Got a flying screwdriver. Alright, well, my pinning mat's full of another project over here, so we'll use this. We'll go, these are all going to be standard. Yeah, oh, wow. Alright. Not expecting much from this either. Standard, another standard, another standard. Yeah, this is all standard junk. The only fun part was that key bitting. It was nice high-low bitting, but I'm not going to put that crap back in there. I'm going to put some of these fancy pins in there. Some spools, and what do I got here? Some T-pins, some spools, some serrated pins, and I'll be putting this and its twin brother together with some security pins and sending them out to you guys. So thanks for watching.